for ordinary purposes in daily life or for those who work inland. The day is divided into two 12-hour intervals, referred as AM, from midnight to noon, and PM, from noon to midnight. In the 24-hour system, the time is expressed in four figures. The first two representing the hour and the last two is the minutes. Midnight is expressed as 0 hour of the day just beginning or 2400 hours of the day just ended. When the mean sun transmits the lower branch of the meridian, it is the start of the day at 0 hour. The mean sun is an imaginary sun conceived as moving through the sky throughout the year at a constant speed equal to the mean rate of the real sun used in calculating mean solar time. It is more convenient to reckon the time from 0 hour to 2400 hours consecutively, as it is the system of timing used in the nautical almanac to determine the coordinates of celestial bodies. The mean solar time at the Greenwich meridian, adopted as the standard time in a zone that includes the British Isles. In this video, for discussion purposes, we assume that it is noon at Greenwich. Local mean time is the time as reckoned in a particular region or time zone. Plus, if it is east of Greenwich, and subtract, if it is west of Greenwich. For the longitude to time conversion, 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. Each meridian has its own particular differences of longitude, of 4 minutes for every 1 degree. It is noon at Greenwich, the local mean time at longitude 120 degrees east, is plus 8 hours of GMT. That is 8 p.m. or 2000 hours. In converting LMT to GMT or GMT to LMT, the longitude is the important factor that must be considered. In other words, the Greenwich time, local time, and longitude are closely related. If it is 14 hours at GMT, the longitude of the observer is 120 degrees east. What is the LMT of the observer? It is clear that the LMT is 2200 hours. By computation, GMT time is 1400 hours. The longitude is 120 degrees east, divided by 15 to obtain time. The result is plus 8 hours. The sum is equal to 2200 hours. For converting LMT to GMT, or simply checking of this example, LMT is equal to 2200 hours. Longitude of the observer is 120 degrees east, divided by 15 to obtain time. The result is plus 8 hours. Sign reversed, it will become minus. And the difference is equal to 1400 hours. Why we reversed the sign? It is because east longitude time is ahead of Greenwich time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.